is Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 3D printer. Are you looking for a 3D printer to help you create custom parts for your gun? Then the Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 3D printer is the perfect choice for you. This printer offers 3D printing capabilities and allows for laser engraving, cutting, and CNC carving, giving you the ultimate creative freedom. With a large work area of up to 320 by 350 by 330 millimeters, you can create large prototypes or multiple smaller objects in one go. And with its modular design, you can personalize the printer with various modules and add-ons, such as an enclosure, rotary module, emergency stop button, can hub, and air purifier. But that's not all. The Snapmaker 2.0 also features a noise reduction chip and lead optimization on the linear module, ensuring quieter printing without sacrificing speed. It is custom 3-in-1 software, Wi-Fi connectivity, a 5-inch touchscreen, and power loss recovery, making it incredibly easy to use and assemble. So whether you're a gun enthusiast or a DIYer looking for a versatile 3D printer, the Snapmaker 2.0 is worth checking out. If you are interested in the modular 3-in-1 3D printer, check out the link in the description box and purchase it. Number 3.